Malicious Android apps with over 19 million installations have been removed from Google Play, marking a significant drop in threat activity. A total of 77 such apps were identified, including a notable rise in adware applications alongside malware. Key findings reveal that Joker, a common malicious component, was found in nearly 25% of analyzed apps, while Harly, a variant, now operates as a legitimate app with hidden payloads. Researchers also noted the evolution of Anatsa, the banking Trojan, which now targets 831 apps, increasing its footprint beyond traditional banking sites. These changes demonstrate a growing sophistication in malware distribution strategies. Additionally, Zscaler researchers highlighted shifts in evasion techniques, such as using malformed APK archives to bypass code reviews, and emphasized the importance of securing device settings. Users must ensure their Play Protect service is active to flag suspicious apps. In cases involving Anatsa infections, separate actions are required to protect bank accounts. To minimize risks, users should only trust reputable publishers and review user reviews before granting permissions.